Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title, are you curious? Let's go. Okay, so if you guys are caught up, you saw the video of me talking about the shade that did not match and then having people on the internet tell me, oh, well, you could make it work. That's what concealer and bronzer is for. And I said, baby, I don't have to make, it's 2025. Okay, I done tried well over 200 foundations, probably closer to 3 at this point. There have been matches. At this point, I don't have to make a foundation shade work because there are quite literally other foundations where I can just put it on my face and go about my business, right? So I don't have to make foundations like that work because foundation ranges like this exist. If you guys didn't see the short that I posted, this is from Essence. They just launched a foundation stick. And they sent me the entire range. It comes in 43 shades. Look at those deeper shades. Look at the darkest one. Look at, oh, but y'all thought I was gonna have to make a pumpkin spice foundation work on my face? Ciao. Now, if you notice, some of the shades are missing from the holder. Another thing Essence did that I really appreciate is they obviously know that I cannot use 43 shades, and especially half of them being much lighter. So they sent a prepaid label and this package to pack them up, and they already have a place that I guess they are collaborating with called I Support the Girls, where you can send over the shades, and of course they will give them over to people who can use the shades. Now, of course, I still cannot use all of the shades that I still have in the holder. So I'm going to find the shade to use as foundation in today's video, and then the rest of them I will probably find someplace here in Atlanta, or you know, if you're a working makeup artist and you'd like it for your kit, an affordable foundation for your kit, I'll figure that out. But let's go ahead and try the actual foundation. Okay, talk about keeping it short, sweet, simple, to the point. So this is the Essence foundation stick. It's literally just called foundation stick. This retails for $6.99. Like I said, it comes in 43 shades. This is the deepest shade, which, hold on. This is shade 400 swatches like that. I'll be keeping 400. She's obviously giving contour shade for me. Okay, so this is $2.90. Okay, so this is $260, $280, $290. I think I'm gonna go with $280. $280 and $290. Actually, all three of them have neutral undertones. This is too light. At least it's not a summer shade, maybe winter. But these two are really close, but I feel like I see a little warm, like a little more warmness in $290. So I'm gonna go with $280 and see how that looks today. But $280, $290, pretty much the same thing. And that would mean there's still 10. That would mean there's 11 shades after the one that I'm using in my face today. And if it ends up $290 is more my shade, there would be 10 shades that you can still pick from after my shade. So all that, you gotta make this work. I don't. So like I said, this retails for $6.99 for 0.35 ounces. I'll roll that up to see how much you're getting so you can like visually see it. With a creamy blendable formula and natural matte finish, Essence foundation stick has got you covered. It's perfect for a light, effortless look or quick touch-ups. Your skin's new BFF in a stick. Babe, when I tell you, they kept it real short and simple when it came to this. Like simple on the name, simple on the description, details, multi-use versatility, creamy and easy to blend formula, soft matte finish. I didn't realize it was a matte foundation, but summer. So baby, $6.99, 43 shades, matte, natural matte finish. They might have done something. Let's see if I try to roll you all the way up. With my luck, try not to drop it. Okay, so that's about how much product you're getting for $6.99. Okay, so okay, so go ahead, start blending that out. Y'all know I have a love-hate relationship with foundation sticks because most of the time they are a natural finish foundation and I have oily skin, so it's a natural finish foundation stick and it's usually a cream formula and I have oily skin, so it be slip sliding around my face throughout the day. And I found that usually foundation sticks that I like are ones that have a matte finish. I like the Mented foundation stick. I don't remember if Huda Beauty specifically is a matte finish, but I do like that foundation stick. So I feel like it sounds like I should like this as a foundation, but we finna test that out and see today. Okay, it's not exactly blending out the easiest, maybe because it's matte or it just dries very quickly, so. Ooh. That is the shade. Before I put on any concealer, I'm gonna go ahead finish my face so I can leave for the day. Y'all, One Size just sent me their new sunscreen On Till Dawn setting spray. It's got SPF 28. They are not letting up this summer on the releases. Ooh. Oh. No, that's to lock it. Is it unlocked? Well, definitely has the original On Till Dawn scent that'll take you out, and then just add SPF to that. Why do I feel like my vision's blurry now? Hold on. All right, y'all, so that is it for my face today. I do have to go outside, and I can't even explain Georgia weather anymore because it's gonna be like 80 degrees and sunny for 2 hours, and then it's going to rain for 5 hours straight and thunder and storm. So I will be back. Oh, did I say what time it is? It is, 1 second, 12:06. So I'll be back throughout the day and then later on so we can see how this $7 foundation held up. I am out of breath, but it is 3:14, y'all. This is what my face is looking like. Baby, I don't know what it is. Something about Mondays just does not like me. I feel like any time where I am saying you will not believe the day that I just had, it's always a Monday. But it's safe to say I was outside. I was outside today, and this is what it is looking like. I feel like we're getting to the point where like your makeup starts to settle in. You know, gets like fully melted. Yes, I'm out of breath as well because again, you won't believe the day that I just had. We're getting to that point where it's starting to look like the makeup is settling into my skin. I do feel like if I'm gonna get oily, I think it's noticeable. That's gonna be around my nose area, but we're going to let that rock and I will be back later. I'm going to go try to calm down from my little crash out that I just had, okay? Okay, y'all, so it is 11:49 p.m. This is my face is looking like. Okay, Essence. Okay, wait a minute. I've only tried one other Essence foundation before and it wasn't anything to write home about. But baby, wait a minute. Because this is $7. It is $7, 43 shades, options. And for my oily skin girlies for $7, I feel like, yes, starting to get oily on my cheeks-ish here. But baby, you can make something work with this for $7. Okay, girlies, tap in. This is you need an affordable option, but it's gonna hold up well. Like y'all know how Born to Glow was $10, and I always had to emphasize that it was $10, but it did what it had to do. This is giving that, but y'all know Born to Glow was a more natural, glowy finished foundation, whereas this is a matte foundation. However, and I did use the powder melt today and the One Size On Till Dawn spray, so I feel like I got a good mixture of mattifying and natural products in there, because y'all know I like control my oil, but I want more of a natural finish on my face. While I mentioned the One Size, I'm not sure about the sunscreen setting spray. It could just be me like looking too much into it, but I feel like it looks a little grayish when I first applied it. Although I don't feel like I look grayish now. Maybe it's just me. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the footage. But SPF, go ahead and throw that on there. And you know, of course, days when you're not wearing makeup. But maybe I don't know. But the foundation, I feel like she has held up well. I left what, like 12 hours ago? Almost 12 hours ago. So I think I left around noon. For 12 hours, $7. Because I feel like my hair is putting a shadow on my face. For $7, baby. Essence might have done that. They did have me in the first half because, like I said, I don't necessarily feel like it was blending out as easily. So if you're thinking like cream foundation stick, which funny enough, I mentioned how the reason I don't like a lot of foundation sticks is because they have a cream formula, and although cream foundation looks beautiful on the face, I have oily skin, so it does a lot with trying to get it to act right. So because it wasn't like a cream foundation like that, I feel like blending it out, I was looking at some place, I'm like, are you moving or not? But once you get past that, that's why I said they had me in the first half. Once you get past that, and I told you I got complimented on your bed. Thank you. Thank you. You know, it'd be making you blush a little bit when people compliment your makeup. Yeah, I was not expecting that. I mean, that's a good thing when I can come tell you, hey, here's this $7 product that comes in 43 shades. I did swatch the lightest and the darkest in a little short that I posted. This is what the lightest shade looks like. This is what the darkest shade looks like. You can use for contour. You use concealer, stuff like that. Let me know if you, well, I don't want to, see, that's, I be thinking stuff like that, but then I'm just like, at the end of the day, after I do that one video, I'm not going to use it like that. And I could just like not use it. So, you know, someone gets a perfectly new product that they can use themselves. I was gonna say like a full face because they have concealer options, they've got foundation options, they've got bronzer options, they've got contour options, stuff like that. But I don't wanna use up shades that can go to someone else. But you got options in this. So makeup artists, this could also be something that you wanna consider for your kit. But baby, absolutely, positively, yes. Yes. And if you are like really oily and you, well, I wouldn't, it's like a soft matte finish, right? If you want matte finish, you probably wouldn't do things like add powder melt, stuff like that. But if you're worried about like, oh no, I have really oily skin, you know, be getting into warmer weather, mattifying primer, powder, setting spray, and you'll be fine with this. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you intend on checking this out, if you're a little intrigued, if you're gonna stay away, maybe you have dry skin. Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.